In a new survey, 4 in 10 Americans say they don't plan on getting the flu shot. About a third say that's because they don't think the vaccine works. So how effective are flu shots? That's a good question for Heather Brown.
So have you gotten your flu shot?
I have not. I did about a month ago.
The thing with me is I get sick every year, almost like clockwork anyways.
Every year, the CDC tells us the effectiveness of the flu vaccine.
The flu vaccine was 34% effective.
36% effective.
Anywhere from 10 to 60% effectiveness.
Is not the perfect vaccine.
I think it's accurate to say we don't know all of the reasons why flu vaccine is not completely effective.
But researchers do know the experts don't always choose the right strains. The virus can change, and the vaccine affects people differently.
There's a lot of other ways to think about how does this vaccine work.
Jennifer Heath is with the Department of Health.
So what do you say to someone who tells you, oh, I'm not getting the flu vaccine because it doesn't work?
I wish they knew what I knew.
They just kind of said, take the flu shot, so I took it.
We know we're not going to prevent every case of flu illness with this vaccine, but we do know that it can save lives.
Especially for the elderly, pregnant women, and children.
Yeah, that scares me. You see the news stories.
Last season, there were 185 pediatric deaths from the flu. 80% of those kids were not vaccinated.
Those who can have really severe outcomes from flu, the vaccine helps prevent hospitalization, and more importantly, it helps prevent death.
Because if they get the vaccine, they don't get such a bad case of the flu.
That's correct.
Already this season, almost 164 million shots have been given out. And even at 30 to 40% effectiveness, experts say that's still protecting a lot of people.
That means that they're not getting sick at all. They're going about their daily lives. You're protecting other people because you're not spreading the disease to them.
I don't know. I don't have a good excuse. I should get a flu shot. I just haven't yet.
Heather Brown.
There's still time.
WCCO.
That's true.
4 News.
In that survey we mentioned, another third of people don't get vaccinated because they think the shot will make them sick. Experts say that is not true. You cannot catch the flu from the flu vaccine. If you have a good question for Heather, please email it by going to WCCO.com/links.